Hello, my darlings, and welcome to a series that I call Bed, Bath, and Broomsticks, where we craft magical recipes for your bath and home. In this video, I'll guide you through creating a magical spring cleaning simmer pot to refresh and cleanse your home as you welcome the new season. Let's do some magical crafting. I start with fresh lemons and slice them into thin rounds. It's important to use a very sharp knife. The bright yellow of these lemons reminds me of sunshine and new beginnings. In magical practice, lemons bring purification energy and cut through negativity, bringing clarity to your space. Lemon is especially powerful for lifting those lingering winter blues. Its citrus scent stimulates the mind and elevates your mood, acting as nature's own antidepressant. The essential oils in lemon help balance your emotional body, dispelling the heaviness that can accumulate during the darker months and inviting in a renewed sense of joy and optimism. You can place these slices on a baking sheet or a baking rack to dry them in the oven at a low temperature. You want them completely dry, but not burnt, so patience is key here. I left my slices in the oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 hours. I also sliced up a few orange peels and dried them in the oven. Orange peel carries the energy of happiness, abundance, and good fortune. Perfect for inviting joyful energy into your home this spring. The sweet, uplifting scent will help dispel any stagnant energy that may have accumulated over the winter months. Next, I cut some fresh rosemary sprigs from my front yard. I'm cutting a few sprigs that don't have flowers, leaving those for the bees. Rosemary has been used for protection and purification for centuries. It strengthens your personal boundaries and shields your home from unwanted energies. The woody, aromatic scent of rosemary also enhances mental clarity and focus, helping you maintain that clean, organized feeling long after your spring cleaning is complete. I've created a Book of Shadows page for this recipe, and if you'd like to download a printable PDF, I'll link to it below. With my ingredients gathered and dried, I combine them in a bowl with some additional magical elements. Here is some chamomile, which brings peace and tranquility to your space. Throughout the ages, chamomile has been known as the plant's physician, healing other plants when grown nearby. In folk traditions, chamomile was strewn on floors during spring cleaning to banish hexes and negative spells from the home. When placed in each room of the house, it attracts good fortune and prosperity, while its gentle energy soothes away tension, arguments, and discord, creating a sense of calm through your home. These cinnamon sticks add warmth and prosperity energy to the blend. Cinnamon has been sacred in folk magic systems across cultures for thousands of years. In ancient Egypt, it was more precious than gold and used in royal rituals. In Hoodoo tradition, cinnamon is sprinkled at doorways to draw customers and good business. In European folk magic, it's burned to raise spiritual vibrations and invite ancestral protection. Its spicy sweetness balances beautifully with the citrus elements, while its solar energy brings light into even the darkest corners. And finally, these pink peppercorns add a touch of fire energy for motivation and momentum. In traditional witches' cupboards, pink peppercorns were treasured for their dual nature. They appear gentle, but carry surprising heat, making them perfect for magic that requires both subtlety and strength. Folk healers use them to break curses and remove crossed conditions. They're particularly potent for cutting energetic cords that no longer serve you, especially those lingering from winter isolation. These magical berries help you break through any blockages or stuck energy in your home, allowing for transformation and renewal. Exactly what we need for effective spring cleaning. Their fiery essence burns away spiritual cobwebs and old patterns that have outlived their usefulness. Next, I'm packaging these ingredients together to create a beautiful blend that's ready to use whenever I need to refresh my space. You can store your mixture in a sealed jar or bag until you're ready to use it. I'm portioning out several bags for use throughout the year. For today's cleansing ritual, I add my herbs and spices into my cauldron of water. This truly becomes a witch's brew as the water begins to bubble and transform into a powerful elixir of purification. As you prepare your magical cauldron, always remember some important safety notes. Never leave your witch's brew unattended on the stove. Check the water level frequently to ensure it doesn't boil dry, and keep it away from children and pets. I recommend that you set a timer on your phone as a reminder to check on it regularly. The act of stirring your cauldron 3 times clockwise invites positive energy, while each ingredient you add whispers its magical properties into the water. As the cauldron gently simmers, the magical properties of each ingredient release into the steam and diffuse throughout my home like an enchanted mist. You can almost see the energetic shift as the citrus cuts through the negativity like a beam of sunlight. The rosemary creates a protective shield around my space, and the chamomile blankets my home in tranquility. The cinnamon spins threads of prosperity into every corner, and the pink peppercorns spark and transform stagnant energy. Together they create a powerful cleansing effect that penetrates every hidden shadow and forgotten corner of my space. I allow this to simmer for a few hours, periodically adding more water as needed. The beautiful aroma fills my home. As the simmer pot bubbles away, a quick word from this video sponsor. This video is brought to you by my patrons. The Magical Crafting Patreon is a space where you can support my work and this channel. There are so many reasons to join. Patreon is where I share the monthly community sigil artwork and post notifications for all of my video content so you never miss an upload. Each month I post reminders and links for my art livestream, my crafting livestream, and my monthly Plan With Me livestream so you never miss a chance to hang out and craft with me. You can participate in polls and give feedback about what you'd like to see on the channel, and there are lots of rewards every month. Each month I create and share a printable monthly mood board and digital wallpapers for your phone and tablet. I post a set of 4 printable planner sticker pages with a new monthly color scheme and theme. And I share a printable Book of Shadows page for my patrons. And all of my patrons have access to the large library of my earlier pages as well. In the higher tiers, you can become a pen pal or sigil spellbag patron, and a new reward tier is in the works and coming soon. There are so many reasons to join my Patreon community. I hope you'll visit at the link below the video. Once I finish simmering, I turn off the heat and allow the mixture to cool completely. Then I strain the liquid. I'll compost the herbs and save the infused water for the final step of my spring cleaning ritual. The cooled herbal water is now transformed into a potent magical elixir. I wipe down my doorways and windows, all the threshold points to my home. This is ancient spellwork at its finest. As I anoint each entrance, I speak this incantation with clear intent. Threshold sealed, protection strong, negative energy be gone. I visualize a golden light emanating from the water as it touches each surface, creating a magical barrier that repels unwanted energies while welcoming abundance and joy. With each stroke of my cloth, the doorways become more than mere entrances. They become guardians of my sacred space, filtering the energies that seek to enter. This threshold magic brings powerful closure to the ritual, creating a boundary of protection and positive energy at every entrance to my witch's sanctuary. My home is now energetically refreshed, cleansed, and protected, ready to support me through the vibrant days of spring ahead. May your home be blessed with light, love, and renewal as the seasons change, and may this cleansing energy support your highest good.